Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this Motorola. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Then choose System. Now you need to click on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and Gboard. After that, select Themes section and scroll down. Then you can choose Show More at the bottom right corners to see all available themes and click on the best one for you. Then manage key borders thanks to this switcher and tap on Apply to save your keyboard. When I go back, as you can see, theme of mine has changed. If you want to, you can always go back into the same settings though, swipe up and tap on this plus icon under My Themes in order to customize it. Then tap on the photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. After that, select Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Then you need to click on Done, manage key borders and choose Apply. If you wish to edit your keyboard, you need to click on it, tap on this pen icon next to Bin 1 and make all your changes. Then select Apply again. When I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. If you wish to delete one of your keyboards, just click on it and tap on this bin icon. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!